Hello everyone, welcome back to another watch-in. Today I've got a couple more box openings. I just finished up a box opening on the spinnaker wreck. Stay tuned for the follow-up on that one. I'm kind of digging this crazy color combo. I know it's not for everyone, but the distressed look, crazy color combo definitely makes this one unique. As you can see here, I've got a couple AVI-8 watches. I'm not sure which one's which. The last couple AVI-8s, my pops has kind of commandeered. He is a huge fan of these, airplane-inspired, aircraft-inspired watches. And so every time I get one, I'm a little reluctant to show him what I got, just because I know he'll fall in love with it, and I'm kind of a sucker and got my dad stuck on watches, so I keep passing them on to him. But let's we're gonna open one of these up, see what I got, and then I'll make another video on the other one. Let's start with this one since we can see AVI-8 a little bit better. I don't know why, but that seems to make my decision today. All right. Let's see what we got here. I do like their boxes. I think they're kind of cool. All right. And I'm not sure which one of these is which, so let's see what we can find out. All right. This one is, now I know. Let me get the plastic off here. So this one is the Lancaster Bomber. Wow, that case back is cool. I dig that case back. This one's a quartz movement. I like the simple, easy to read numbers on this one, and I'm guessing my pops is gonna really like it. I've always liked what they do with their crowns. Probably have a logoed buckle. So this model is the AV-4067-02. And I will do my usual. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like the little bit of case treatment there. This one's on their site for $165. And I'm digging it so far. But you guys know what I like to do. I will wear this one a little bit, get a little bit more familiar with it. I'm sure my pops is going to want to take this one from me. Not sure he's going to get it though. He's gotten a few. But that's what that one looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. And I like it. Just kind of a simple, clean, but still has a vintage look to it. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And stay tuned. We're going to open up this other one right now and see what we got. As always, guys, thanks for watching.